Good googly moogly. This is already turning out so cute. What are you making? Crayons? Ma'am, this might be the best teacher dessert I have ever seen already, and it's not even done. Yes, the piping game is on fleek. Wait, do the kids still say that? Or am I behind on the trends because I can't keep up? Oh yes, adding that little bit of gold paint on that yellow makes it stand out and it pops. Gorgeous. I absolutely love every decoration she put on this cookie cake. Honestly, her attention to detail is quite impeccable. See, this is what I call talent. I am going to rate this 10 out of 10. 9.5 out of 10. I'll be fair. Yes, bravo, ma'am. Bravo. This cookie cake turned out fantastic. But anywho, Lofi guys, make sure you like and subscribe and, hook your girl up. And also hook up these teachers, okay? Somebody go ahead and love on these teachers out here. Okay, bye. Enjoy this little cat clip.